So this is a powerful womb cleaning drink that you need to flush out impurities, bad blood, get rid of death that stops you from conceiving. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fine. So thank you so much for stopping by. So today's remedy will help a lot of people that are trying to conceive. If you are not trying to conceive, you just want to clean up your womb, get rid of impurities, old blood, old tissues, to just get rid of infections and live healthily. This will surely help you, okay? If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So this will as well help to get rid of cysts. If you have tiny cysts, the developing ones, it's going to help to flush it out, okay? But if you have fibroid, you can check my channel for fibroid remedy, okay? I have a remedy for that. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to everyone. So let's go. I'm going to show you how you can keep your womb, your uterus, very healthy. So this treatment I'm about to share with you will help a lot for those that suffer from miscarriage. If you have had miscarriage in the past, which you really want to clean your womb to make sure that everything is gotten rid of, okay, properly, and also to strengthen your womb and keep it healthier. So if you also have tiny cysts or uterine fibroids, smaller ones, this treatment will help to flush it out because the ingredients are very good, okay? They are very good at contracting the womb to expel any unwanted materials, okay? So this remedy shouldn't be used if you are pregnant. If you are pregnant and you have fibroid or cyst, you don't need this at all. Please do not make use of this treatment. So the first thing you have to do is to add a very hot water in here. So this is about 2 cups or 2 glasses. If you want to increase the quantity, you can go ahead and do so. As you are increasing the quantity of the hot water, just be sure to increase the ingredients as well. So what we have here is Moringa powder, and this is a wonderful ingredient, a very good herb, okay? So in case you have Moringa leaf, which I don't have right now, so Moringa here have many wonderful nutritional benefits for women. It has high amounts of iron, vitamin A and C, which are very important for women. It makes the womb very healthy and very strong, okay? This is so important for cleansing, to get rid of impurities, old blood. This will help to make your womb stronger. In case you want to conceive, you have to do this before conceiving, okay? So for 2 glasses, you have to add 1 tablespoon. Instead of the powder, if you have the leaf, you just have to boil it. In this remedy, I'm going to be using all the powdered ingredients, okay? If you have the roots, the leaves, you can go ahead and do so by boiling it. But this is just like instant, and I'm just loving it because it's going to yield the same results. So just add it 1 tablespoon into 2 glasses of hot water. Make sure the water is very, very hot and you are good to go. Mix it very well like this. So another wonderful spice to add in here is cinnamon. As I said earlier, I'm going to be making use of everything powder. So this is highly important for the womb to take care of you in and out. When your womb, your uterus is healthy, you will notice it from the outer part because everything will be well balanced, hormone will be well balanced, your menstrual period will flow normally, and any infertility problem will be gone by the grace of God. So cinnamon here is a very healthy spice, okay? It's a potent one which helps with contraction of the uterus or womb to remove harmful materials. It gets rid of cysts, uterine fibroids, tiny ones of course, not very big fibroid, cleaning the womb and help to keep it healthy. So this is so wonderful. If you have the stick, just go ahead and boil it or turn it into a powdering form like this. So I'm going to go right now to add just half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and this is going to do. Mix it very well Cinnamon powder can be very hard to mix, but do not worry, just mix it and very soon it's going to mix properly. So the next one to add here is turmeric powder. So turmeric here is highly important as well, just like every other spice, okay? Contains curcumin in it, which helps for overall health. This is highly detoxing. It will help to detox your womb, clean it out, get rid of harmful materials that stops you from conceiving. This will help to strengthen the uterus and keep it very healthy, removing bad blood, old tissues, and other remnants. So this is highly important for you to keep your womb functioning properly. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Yes, if you have the roots, just the fresh turmeric, go ahead and peel it. After peeling it, boil it with other ingredients and they are all good. You can as well go ahead and boil these powdered ingredients. It will help a lot for cleaning the womb. But adding a very hot water will also do a very good job. So next thing to do is to strain it out, of course. Make sure you stir it before straining it out. If you strain it out, there will be some particles because all the ingredients are all powdered ones. So do not worry, you can also drink it like this without straining it. So right now I'm going to transfer it into the glass, and which you should take it warm. It's very important to take it as it's still warm. Store the remain in the flask to keep it warm for next use. Do not keep it in the refrigerator because you have to take it warm. You can also leave it in your cooking pot so that you can keep it warm by heating it whenever you need it. So that is it for now. So that is it. Just make enough quantity, so that you don't have to be making a fresh one whenever you want to make. Take 1 glass early morning on the start of your period. This should be taken during your period, okay? And it will help a lot. Except you are not trying to conceive. If you want to conceive, just take it only during your period. If you are not trying to conceive, you just want to make sure your womb is very clean, you just want to treat yourself before trying to conceive, take this treatment every day, even during your ovulation. Always advisable to treat yourself very well for 1 month, 2 months before trying to conceive, especially after miscarriage, okay? Do not just take it only during your period. Take it for 1 month, every day, 1 glass like this to make sure everything is properly cleansed. But for those that are impatient, you can just do it only during your period, okay? Because this treatment is not meant to be used during your ovulation if you want to conceive that same month. 1 glass early morning, next day 1 glass early morning, and you're all good. So go ahead and store the remain as I said earlier. Keep it warm or reboil it whenever you want to take, so that it can stay very warm like this, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.